Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kate, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can clean your makeup brushes on a budget. This is a really simple and cheap way you can clean your makeup brushes without having to go to some makeup store or order makeup brush cleaner online, because that can cost a lot of money sometimes. This cleaner maybe only costs $4 depending on the bottle you get, and then you just need water. Like, how easier can it get from that? So this is how I clean my makeup brushes personally, and I feel like this has worked the best for me besides using actual brush cleaner, and sometimes I even feel like this cleans my brushes better than that. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and let's get started. Okay, so to start, you want to take any bowl you have, microwave safe or heat safe bowl you have. Just put some warm water in it, not too hot to burn you, but then also not too cold so like you can't wash anything with it. And then fill it up a little more than halfway full. Sorry, here so you can see it. And then taking Dawn dish soap, any soap you have, not specifically Dawn, and put some in there. Now you don't have to put too much in there because this is not the only cleaning process step we do. You're just going to take your finger then and just whisk it around in there. Mix all the soap up. And then take your makeup brushes. Now I'm using my eye makeup brushes for this step, and then we'll just skip ahead on my face because it's the same one. And we're just going to dump them in there. Like so. And then you're going to take this and just set it to the side for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Just let them soak for a second. And then we'll come back to them and work on them individually. Now, because I do my eye makeup brushes and then my face brushes separately, I'm just going to go ahead and do that same exact step with my face brushes, and then I will see you guys in a second. Alright, so now once you have your face makeup brushes magically done the same way, you're going to set these aside for another minute or two, and then just let them soak all that clean, soapy water up to antibacterial them. And we are back to clean our brushes after a few minutes. Basically what we're going to do is just work them one by one individually with soap and water. So I'm going to turn the camera so you can see the sink. Okay, fancy. This is our sink here. And what I like doing is just taking a brush, wringing it out a little, and then I'm just going to get the water so it's a little lukewarm again, and then just keep my soap on hand right next to me, and I will show you guys how I do this. Turn the water on. Put your brush in the water. Open the soap, and then you just put some in your hand and just move it around a little. And then every few seconds or something, you're just going to squeeze the soap out and just wash it through again. And then do the same circular pattern across your hand. And then now you have a freshly clean brush. And then we're just going to set this to the side on a towel right here, and then just do all the other brushes, and then wait for this one to dry and all the other ones to dry. Okay, so this brush has some green on the top of it. Just gonna rinse it out, water, soap. And then it is all clean, all that green is gone, and once it is dry, you can use it again, put some other colors on it. Now, because you guys basically see how I clean my eye makeup brushes, face makeup brushes cleaning is pretty much the exact same, but I'm going to show you guys how I do that too, because they are bigger brushes. And then we'll just, after I do a few, jump right to the end where all my brushes are magically cleaned and within no time. I'm going to take the brushes of dirty water and all that fun stuff and just pull out a brush. We'll do this bronzer brush here. Just rinse it out. The difference with this one, I would say, is sometimes I do go through and clean it twice, but just depending on what was on it before, just to make sure it was clean. So rinse it out. Soap. And now that one is clean. Go on to this one. Take it out. Water. Soap. And then it is perfectly clean and white again. Obviously it's soaking wet, but it's very clean now. Now that you guys have the gist of what I do and how I clean my brushes, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of these brushes, if you can see them, all these brushes, so we're not here for hours on end. And then I will see you guys once we are done, and then I'll show you guys them all cleaned and how clean they do get. But it's probably been around 2 hours since I finished cleaning all these brushes, which I will show you in a second. The whole process of cleaning all these brushes probably only took me 45 minutes maybe. I just wanted them to sit out so they can dry a little bit. Normally when I do clean my brushes, I just do it at night, and then they'll just sit overnight, and then they'll be dry in the morning. But I will show you guys what they look like now. Obviously all cleaned and pretty now. I can use them again without worrying about any color or bacteria being on them, which is also another point about Dawn I would like to make. This little brand here. Since using this to clean my makeup brushes instead of using an actual brush cleaner, I always feel like whenever I use it, my brushes feel super soft, and then they look even whiter in comparison to using a normal brush cleaner. I just prefer using this, even though I know it's not the correct way to wash your brushes. Like, you don't need to leave that in the comments. Like, I know it's not the right way, but it's what I have preferred. So if you don't have brush cleaner at your house all the time, like I usually don't, try that. Works wonders. Cleaning your brushes is a very, very important thing of makeup, even if you are not a makeup artist. Anyone doing makeup anytime should be cleaning your brushes. I know people who just go out and just buy new brushes every time they get dirty, which is completely a waste of money. I just don't see why you could just take some soap and just clean it off. Like, it's super easy, as you guys can see. So I really do encourage you guys to try this out because it works wonders and it is very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow all my social media listed down below. I am Kate, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, and also make sure you watch my Beauty Blender cleaning video using the same Dawn dish soap.